Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walmart beauty box to unbox for you guys. A lot of people ask me what is the site, so it's right here inside of the box. Also they have, after you purchase one, they've got some kind of contest going on. You can take a survey and you have a chance to win. That is always super awesome. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I see is this Hello toothpaste. This one has activated charcoal in it. I've already talked about the Hello brand on my channel before, so I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but overall I think it's a good toothpaste. So the very next thing I see, I have never seen this before, like not even at the store. Dove exfoliating body polish, crushed macadamias. So that's really cool, and they show you all the other ones that they have. I'm gonna definitely have to find this at the store because I haven't seen it yet. So that is what I love about these boxes, is they just have like little samples of things that you probably haven't seen yet. So onto this Rembrandt Deeply White 3-day whitening boost kit. I mean, who doesn't need a little boost? I realized I probably should have opened these for you guys. I'm not sure myself if they're strips or not, but anyway, let's just get to the next thing. So this is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Little Tiny Lotion. I love these little teeny tiny products because I can just throw them in my bag when I'm traveling. So this was interesting to me. This is the soft soap earth blends. I've never seen this before either, but this is like their clean line, no parabens and all that. So then I have I always mess up the name, So AE, I guess, acai berry sleeping mask. And if you watch my other videos, you know I have another sleeping mask from them that I got in another Walmart beauty box, and apparently I'm just collecting sleeping masks because I haven't used that one either. So then, as always, there's just like some information cards, coupons, usually at the end. So this is a $2 off coupon for those Rembrandt. So here is a little pamphlet for Clairol, nice and easy. So that right there is actually a little hair tie for your ponytail. I thought that was pretty cool. But unfortunately, I don't dye my own hair. So, you know, although it smells good and it sounds good, you know, I probably won't even use this product, but I probably will get it just because it has a coupon, but I probably won't use it. But for everyone that wants a better experience with dyeing their hair, then I suggest that. So they gave me a free coupon for that, which is awesome. And then here's just a little bit more about that Hello. So black, white, and friendly all over. Yeah, sounds like pandas and me. So then here's the soft soap, a little bit more information about it. And then here at the bottom, which was strange, was like another sample. Now, I've received this sample before, and honestly, I didn't try it myself, but my mom tried it, and it was just not memorable. So I don't know, I'll have to try it for myself this time, and I'll have to let you guys know. But yeah, overall I think this was a really good box, and I'm excited to use everything in it. If you want a review on something in the box, just let me know down below. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.